Every year, Haitians send billions of dollars back to Haiti. But where do we actually see that money going? It supports livelihoods, but it's not strategically invested. Imagine if billions were actually invested strategically. We've created the first Haitian-led endowment that's going to keep giving for generations to come. Hi, my name is Dr. Gloria Blaise, board member of Ayiti Community Trust, and I come to you today live in Haiti to share with you a special message. Like every other Haitian and our allies, I've searched for years for ways to give back to Haiti. But not just give back food, send money, send clothing, send hand-me-downs. No, send something that will actually empower our Haitians back home, something sustainable. Since 2016, I've dedicated my entire self to Haiti. If you knew me before 2016, then you know that I couldn't even speak Haitian Creole well, right? And so I found this something that I believe is worth sharing a message about today. So I've spent the past 8 years researching and learning about our beautiful Haiti. And so Haiti Community Trust has established the first transnational permanent endowment fund that supports critical pillars in Haiti. That's environment, entrepreneurship, and civic education. It's not a case where you donate $50 and you don't know where it went, you don't see the impact. Your support today keeps on giving for generations to come. I believe that we've all been searching for something tangible, something transparent, something that we can trust. And IT Community Trust is one of those vehicles. It's time that we really reflect on the ways that we've been giving back to IT and think about innovative ways. We were the first country to abolish slavery in the New World. We can do anything else. That was in the 1700s. We are now in 2024. So many more resources, so much more capacity. Another revolution is here, and we're going to transform our country. I know that as we work through the political kinks going on, that we can plan and innovate for ways to invest back in our country. So I'm counting on you to keep this movement going. By 2032, we'll have 20 million, and you'll be able to say that you were one of the first to invest in this first Haitian-led transnational permanent foundation. We're empowering Haitians back home, and we're empowering our diaspora, our allies. It's no longer about remittances. Still send money back to support our families. However, it's time we leverage our expertise, our networks, our close ties back home to strategically invest in our country.